Good morning, dear students. This is your assistant teacher. Now take out your civics textbook and open chapter number 5, that is Panchayati Raj. So dear children, as you know that from today we are going to start our new lesson, that is Panchayati Raj. So before going through this lesson, we should know some basic concept of this Panchayati Raj. So first of all, the Panchayati Raj is a system of decentralization of the government. Now what is meant by decentralization? So when we say decentralization, it means breaking down the powers, okay, breaking down the powers. For example, if you are going to school and there is just one principal and there are no separate class teachers for each classes, so what would happen then? It would become very difficult, okay, to manage the individual classes. So similarly, for a government to run efficiently, it's important that the powers are broken down under different heads, okay. For example, they are divided into two powers, that is powers for rural area and powers for the urban areas. So as you know that our India is predominantly rural and agricultural country, okay. So when we say that the India is very much rural and agricultural country, what does that mean? It means to bring power to the villages and to enact this power the Panchayati Raj system develop. So to know much more about this Panchayati Raj, let's see the lesson. What happened after people elect their representative? How are decisions made? Let's look at how this takes place in rural areas. Here we look at the Gram Sabha, which is meeting where people directly participate and seek answers from their elected representative. Okay, so it's a special day today. Everyone's rushing to get the Gram Sabha. Do you know why? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of new Gram Panchayat. Okay, so this is the scene of one village where the Gram Sabha is elected, and that day it was the first meeting after the election of the new Gram Panchayat. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by the Panchayat. Adult means 18 plus, okay, and this could be only one village or a few villages. In some states, as in the example above, a village meeting is held for each village. Anyone who is 18 years old or above or more and who has the right to vote is a member of Gram Sabha, okay. The people of Hardas village are keen, that means they are extremely curious to find out what their new panchayat leaders have planned for the villages, okay. So now let's talk about the Gram Sabha. What is meant by Gram Sabha? The Gram Sabha meetings begins with the panchayat president, okay. There was one panchayat president, who is also called the sarpanch, okay. The panchayat president means sarpanch, and the members of the panchayat are panch, okay. And the presenting a plan on repairing the road that connects the villages to the main highway, and after this the decision moves to the subject of water and water shortage, okay. So the major problems were solved in the Gram Sabha by the sarpanch and the panch. Every village panchayat is divided into two wards, okay, that means two parts, smaller areas. Each ward elects a representative who is known as the ward member, that is panch, okay. That means there are divided various kind of areas, and each area is having one ward member, that is who is known as the panch. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a sarpanch who is the panchayat president, okay, and the ward panch and the sarpanch from the Gram Panchayat, and the Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years, okay. Their time of the period is total 5 years. The Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also the secretary of the Gram Sabha, and this person is not an elected person but is appointed by the government, okay. and the secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and keeping record of the proceedings. Okay, so this in this type the Gram Sabha categorized. Then a villager called Tija begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has become very acute. So as I told you that it is the scene of one Gram Sabha in that village, that is Hardas village. Okay, the one citizen whose name is Tija begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has become very acute, and the hand pump water has gone well below the point to which the ground has been drilled, and we hardly get any water in the taps. Women have to go to the Suru river, which is 3 kilometers far away, to get water. One of the members suggests piping water from the Suru and making an overhead tank in the village to increase the water supply. But the others think that this will be very much expensive, okay, and it's better they fill to deepen the hand pumps and clean the wells for this season. Okay, so this is the one scene of the Gram Panchayat where Tija has water problem. Okay, and the sarpanch and their panch giving their some suggestions and opinions about the water shortage. Okay, so first one feels that the making piping is very much expensive, and the other one says that we have to just deepen the hand pumps and clean the wells for this season. Okay, so they are just giving the solution for the water shortage. This is not enough. We need to do something more permanent, as groundwater level seems to be going down every year. So they just wanted to solve this problem permanently, and we were using more water than seeping into the ground. Okay, so they just find out the solution with the help of sarpanch and panch. Another member, Anwar, then tells everyone that he has seen ways of conserving water and recharging, that is the refilling, in a village in Maharashtra where he had once gone to visit his brother. It was called a watershed development, and he had heard that the government gave money for this work. Okay, so that means they just suggested one kind of conserving method of the water. Okay, then his brother's village people had planted trees, constructed check dams and tanks, and everyone thought his wax an interesting it was an interesting idea, and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find about the details. Okay, that means when this Gram Panchayat held and one question rise of water shortage by the Tija, then they just decided to do the water conservation method. Okay, they just try to find out how this water conservation method to be planned, okay, and to be treated. So dear children, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand this video. If you have any problem regarding this video, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.